get it all. I feel like they're just, stalling, or they just flat out don't have the money, or I don't know what the deal is.
Why is a check from the National Flood Insurance Program administered by FEMA not clearing the bank?
That's what a Ruskin couple wants to know more than 7 months after Hurricane Helene. 8 on Your Side consumer investigator Shannon Bacon joins us right now with that story.
In my many years of covering insurance issues, I've never heard of this. And so far, the federal government has yet to provide an answer or make this right. Robert Paul's mobile home off Shell Point Road in Ruskin has sat like this since Hurricane Helene. He and his wife paid for flood insurance through what's called the National Flood Insurance Program, administered through FEMA. They were approved quickly, their home a total loss. But the first settlement check of $30,000 didn't arrive until March. And then the check wasn't good.
How am I literally out of the tens of thousands of people that filed claims, probably,
right.
I'm assuming, as far as the damage went, how am I the only person that this happened to?
I first told you about the Pauls last week. A FEMA spokesperson assured me then they would get on this. And then Robert was told to try to cash the check again. Once again, though, that didn't work out. Robert says he was told NFIP was in the process of changing banks, and their check got caught up in that.
This check shouldn't have apparently been cut off, but apparently they didn't time it right. That's what he was saying. So he made it sound like they just timed it wrong, and that we were okay to resubmit it. When we resubmitted it, it again came back as no good. So now the bank has told us they will not resubmit that. They're going to need a new check.
So you've had to submit the same check twice, and twice the money hasn't been there.
Correct.
Robert tells me he was told today that he will be sent a new check, but it won't arrive until later this week, and then he'll have to try to submit that one to the bank. Meanwhile, the couple still cannot begin fixing their house, even though they paid for insurance.
I cannot believe they're going to send this snail mail to them and not overnight them the check or something after they've waited this long. But what is FEMA saying about this?
Well, I reached out to FEMA numerous times, and a FEMA representative tells me that they can't tell me anything about this case, citing privacy concerns. I asked whether this is a widespread problem, and I was told no, but I can tell you that what's happening with the Pauls is not acceptable, and I'm not going to stop shining a light on this until they receive the insurance coverage that they paid for.
Which may or may not happen sometime next week.
Hopefully it does.
We look forward to the update. Thank you, Shannon. If you have a problem that needs solving, better call Bankin. The number is 1-855-BANKIN, or you can reach her on Facebook at WFLA Shannon.